Okay, hello everybody. I'm Sebastian, co-founder and CEO of DeepCoding. As a French guy, I know how important it is to drink good wine, so I hope you enjoy before my presentation. So I'm going to present you DeepCoding, the digital intelligence delivery platform. Let's start with a quote. Today, every company is a software company. This is my favorite quote of the decade. Okay, just think about it. Any vertical you're in, no matter what you do, whether you're in retail, whether you're an automotive company, whether you're a hotel chain, everything is now today because of the digital revolution around software. And as a business, highly rely on your IT and your digital people to provide you with solutions, to provide you with timely solution and projects in order to be able to adapt and react quickly. But yet, look at these numbers. Today, 75% of IT projects are not completed on time, on scope, or on budget, out of which 35% are deemed a total failure because they were so long to happen that the scope, actually, the business needs from the start changed around, because today we are surrounded by startups or very large software companies that know how to move fast, that deliver fast, and competition is always ahead of you. Not to mention the delivery time that business people are experiencing. Sometimes, if you're a business and you ask something for your IT, if you get an answer that it will be ready in a few months, you're very lucky. And this is exactly why we built DeepCoding. Think of DeepCoding as a platform that acts as an intelligent control tower for all your digital activities. Using cutting-edge machine learning, pattern recognition, anomaly detection, we are able of monitoring your entire digital delivery organization, spot whether they're going to be an impending risks within a delay, for example, a delay in one of your tasks, a delay in a project, a delay in that will impact your ability to reach the SLA, and raise an alert to the right person. This enables IT leaders to be proactive rather than reactive as the way today. Let's see how it works. We don't need to, people or organizations don't need to change the way they are working today. They continue to use their existing delivery management systems such as MS Projects, Jira, ServiceNow. We are only connecting on top of them. We are using our deep coders. We collect the raw data, structure it, and pass it to our cognitive engine that monitors and predicts in real time. When we see that there is an impending risk, such as a bottleneck, a task that might be delayed, a resource utilization that is not optimized, we'll raise an alert directly to the right person so he can predict and prevent the failure. This is our whole idea. This is about operational intelligence, to give the right information ahead of time so you can actually manage it and mitigate the risk. This is an example of a dashboard that we built for one of our customers. I want to mention that all our customers are obviously very large companies with very, very large IT organizations, sometimes spread all over the globe. If you are 3 people in a garage, you don't need deep coding. This is a dashboard, real-time dashboard with all the impending risks for all the projects that are actually happening in this company. This is a drill down that actually you can see what are the exact risks. The cognitive engine will send alerts and also say exactly who is in charge and who you need to talk to. So as a manager, I can really take a preemptive action, and I don't need to understand complex BI dashboard and know exactly. The cognitive engine will tell me the root cause and what I need to do in order to mitigate the risk. Here you can see how we succeeded in one of our customers to decrease by 80% the lead time of change requests in a very large organization. Think about the productivity that we increase. Today, a human cost of an IT person is 120K. So if you succeed to actually increase the productivity and help this team, these people, to make more with the same number, the ROI for our system is so fast and so quick. here is an example of all the processes that is in the company. We are using also technologies that is called business process mining. And here is the difficulty about what we are doing. We are monitoring human people work, human reporting, and human by definition, they are very bad at estimating time. They are very bad at predicting where they're gonna finish. And they are very bad at reporting in general. They don't like to report because they say, okay, if I report that I finished now, what will happen to me? I will get more work. So what we do, we basically, since we are connected to different systems, we are capable of creating a true picture of what is happening by connecting the different silos. A bit about the team. So myself, I was selling what we call the project and portfolio management systems with a company called Claris, and I was vice president for Europe. So I know this problem very well. My co-founder, Arnaud Niafé, which was a CEO of one of the largest delivery company here. I'm fortunate to have also with us Nimrod Vishnia from SAP. We also have a prestigious advisory board, including Benny Schneider. Maybe some of you hear about him. He just sold his company to Oracle for $500 million. In terms of a company, we are now ready to do our pre-round A. We have a clear path to revenue. We raised $1.6 million for leading VCs, Access Ventures, and Stage 1. We today have 8 customers, very, very large customers. I cannot tell their name because we are under NDA, but they are Fortune 500 company that are now, as we speak, doing POCs, pilots, and we are sending them proposal. We're waiting for a contract with one of them. And in our pipeline, we already have 25 customers. But the most beautiful thing about our ventures is actually our total addressable market. Any company in the world can be a customer for that with a large IT organization can be a customer for DeepCoding. That means that with an average MRR of 17.5K, we only need 500 customers in order to reach the 100 million milestone. And last but not least, we were selected by Analytics Insight as one of the top 10 most innovative solution for digital transformation. This kind of PR brought us a lot of CIOs that called us, and we got the attention of them. So thank you very much. If you want to talk to me, I will gonna be here. These are my contacts, and I really look forward to talking to you. Thank you very much.